In this short and basic video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to Excel for Mac or Windows user. Open Excel. Now here click on Insert. Now here guys, you have to click on Get Add-ins. Search here Video. Web Video Player. Add YouTube videos to your PowerPoint presentations or Excel spreadsheets. Click on Add. Lesson Terms and Privacy Policy. Click on Continue. Paste the URL of the video from YouTube or another format. Now paste here. There are some more options like autoplay. You can start it and end it, then set video. So this is the way guys you can insert YouTube videos to your Excel. Thanks for watching.